This is the development process of light touch. Elderly who live alone at home are my target user group, and the primary concern I have and decided to focus on is tripling or falling in a dangerous setting. I therefore came up with this challenge statement of elderlies are having difficulties moving around in the house, how to create a smart home for them to move around without concerns. This takes me to my product ideation, from which I have chosen solely on the smart wristband and smart house light system. Regarding on the case study that is now available on the market, there is a company named SwitchMate that does what I would like to achieve, but I would like to concentrate more on the elderly group setting, so I stopped and looked at what adjustment and improvement I could make from there. Initially, the smartwatch would include a number of capabilities and it will be paired with a sensor light to be strategically placed at home. However, I realized that the smartwatch features were too complex and the material I chose were not the best for older people. Therefore, I modified the wristband's material and streamlined its functionalities for the second iterations. However, the UI were too complicated as the elderly felt like they were using another phone, a little confusing to them. And as for the sensor lights, I attempt to give the sensor light more features, but I was told that it was over complex. So in order to give the elderly less to worry about, I streamlined the design for the third stage to a single button react. The youngsters will be the ones keeping an eye on it with an application linked to the smart wristband. Following my design decisions, I concentrated on the product's ergonomics, namely determining the size of the wristband and the sensor light's dimensions using blue foam and paper. This enables me to choose the light touch's final measurements.